Welcome YouTube to another video. We're driving the Hellcat this time. Let's get it. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's grinding. Like I said, boys, every week just gotta keep growing. Dude, just like looking at all my expenses from vacation, bro, I'm like, bro, vacation's such a huge setback. And honestly, bro, vacations are like overrated completely, bro. Completely over. No doubt that I enjoy it, bro, but like the reason why I bought these cars is to enjoy my life, bro. I'd much rather be just driving my cars. And I'd much rather get into like projects where like I'm buying salvage cars and rebuilding them. That's like, sounds way more fun than just going on vacation, bro. Luckily I went with a group of people, so we split a lot of expenses, but dude, still, I spent way too much money, bro. Like, bro, like just for a single, like just a simple hamburger with fries, bro, it's $30. Minimum $25. Like how, that's insane. Obviously if you drive like 25 minutes in another direction, there's like a big mall, which is, I didn't know about until like the last day. I'm like, bro, I would have just stayed in a hotel next to the mall because there's way more food and better prices, and the food's actually good. I got food poisoning halfway into the trip too. I threw it up like right away because I literally couldn't sleep. And I'm like, dude, there's no way I'm gonna let this freaking food poisoning ruin my vacation. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh. Just gotta keep making more money, man. Having these cars is cool. I'm not super rich where it's like nothing, but dude, I would need to get there, bro. Driving these cars on the weekend motivates me to work harder. Oh, dude, these streets. There's way too many like residents here, but I'm just gonna do it on my way out. I love this freaking dude. Look how, like, you just like look at this area, bro. Like if you're actually in person, it looks way more beautiful. But just imagine like buying a house right now with that kind of view, dude. It's ridiculous how much it used to be expensive back in the day, bro. Now, oh my gosh, bro. Why are houses so expensive now, bro? Like all these houses are easily over $1 million. Imagine paying over $1 million. So let's be conservative. Imagine buying $1 million house with a loan. 70K a year is going to the bank. That's literally a brand new car each year. Like, nah, bro. Nah. I don't regret buying these cars at all. Oh my gosh. But the only reason I hate living here is for the people like me that drive in the street, bro. I drive in the street because it's just like it sounds so beautiful here. So I'm sure I'm not the only one doing this. Ooh, C6, is that C6? Yeah, dude, they look pretty aggressive, bro. Yeah, C6, dude, I'd love to have a C6. Dude, my buddy had a C6 cammed, bro. And it was a stick shift. Like, bro, that's the dream setup. The only problem is if I get something like that, I'm gonna have to use a head mount the whole time. Insane. That's unreal. Oh my goodness. Unreal. I love this thing, bro. There's something about the deep tones, like it's kind of relaxing, bro. I think that's why I also enjoy the deeper tones. Just so much more relaxing. This lady's like, bro, what the? Dude, like this, It's crazy because I'm not even like full sending it, and it sounds just so aggressive, bro. Like it just roars, bro. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh. I'm like purposely not gassing it because I'm in the residential, but because it's Catless, sounds so good. Like this guy, does he hate me? No, he's chilling. Like, bro, this place is so beautiful, man. Hawaii is cool, but bro, it's like so outdated. Everything, things need to be updated, bro. Like the apartments there are like the most unaesthetic apartments I've probably seen, bro. Honestly, one of the most unaesthetic. Like I was in the city, Honolulu, bro, and it was not it. That whine, bro. That whine is. I just can't believe I'm Catless and it's whining like that. Definitely, like the aftermarket intake changed everything. So if you guys ever do get a Hellcat, dude. I don't care what state you live in, bro. Whether it has a carb sticker or not, it's just a filter, bro. You can put it back on easily. But it's one of the best things I've ever done was adding an air aftermarket intake. Something about the stock one just ain't it. Like, I don't care if it's tuned to that intake or whatever, bro. It's. I've had this car for over a year and it's been chilling, which is also insane how long I've had this car for. Oh my gosh. Anyways, boys, thanks for all the support, man. We've been growing hella. Like, one of my videos said 14K views, and we're growing subscribers. Like, it's so crazy how consistent we've been. We pretty much grow about 1,000 a month. Oh, dude, seeing that breaks my heart, bro. When the dog's limping like that, oh, I have a dog, bro, so I'm like in the fields, bro. And my dog's getting old too, bro. I can't see anything right now. Holy moly. The sun beams here, bro. Oh my goodness. So I literally have to drive a single direction. That's why literally I'm driving. Like, you see the way I'm driving, guys, it's because the sun is, dude, like during the day, it's like golden hour now, so it's really nice, you know? But it gets just like, the camera quality just becomes weird. It's too bright. Boys, dude, I literally never see these around the street. My friend has one, and bro, this one, dude, they look so good. That's one V6 I would definitely settle down for. I was trying to beat that guy, but dude, I don't know. He didn't stop at all. I just love having like such a diverse lineup, you know? What the fudge? Is there a freaking car meet? Bro, hold on, watch this, guys, watch this, guys. I just saw a street full of people. Oh, that's where the guy was tuning into, bro. There's probably there's no way there's a freaking car meet here. Like, bro, like, check this out. This I'm tripping out right now. What the? Dude, there is. Like, look, bro. What the fudge? I did not know about this. Like, bro, I'm literally on the way to the gym right now. I'm tripping right now. Dude, I would love to stay there, but I have to go to the gym, so. Oh shoot, it's a cop. I wonder, is he turning here? Nah, he's not. Okay, good. Oh wait, he is turning here. Yeah, we're good. He just passed us. I think he's probably going to that car meet thing, bro. But it's always getting ratted out, bro. And nothing's even happening there. Thank God he didn't hear me, bro. I knew, it's like, I couldn't see him turn. I thought he went straight on this freaking street. It's pretty common, there's cops in the street. Oh, alright, time to hit the gym. Dude, there's some people pulling up to that meet. I saw like 5 Scat Packs just go there right now. I'm so surprised I didn't hear about it, bro. Mustang, my new Mustang. My new Mustangs look so good, man. It's a car meet, boys. I just drove past it, bro. There's 3 cops at the entrance for some reason. I don't know why there's like so many cops here because I haven't heard anyone gassing it. So we're gonna try to go like park somewhere and just walk there because my car is like just way too loud for me to be passing by cops. If I was in my M5, I'm chilling. That's why I like the M5. It's like a really good balance. This better not be a big head. It's not a cop. These streets are freaking so beautiful, bro. I love nighttime, man. I wish I could do more nighttime POVs, but it's just so dark. There's a C8 right there. Dude, there's so many nice cars going through there. Alright, with the homies as usual. Oh my gosh! I got 3 BMWs behind me, bro. I have 3 cops right next to me. Oh my gosh. Holy! I love the sound of this freaking car. But yeah, we're ending off the day. That car meet was kind of chilled, nothing really too much going on. I kind of came last minute, so. But you already know, we're getting in and out with the homies, let's go.